Hello class 7. Welcome to history lecture. Our today's topic is crusade. We are continuing with the chapter crusades, and today we will do our topic new towns and trade centers. There we will see how as an impact of the crusades new towns and trade centers develop, and also we will see the separation of industries. So first we will start with new towns and trade centers, how they develop. So now we see that due to the crusades, we know that the crusades were fought from the 11th to the 13th century. In the beginning of the 13th century it ended. So it was continued from the 11th to the 13th century. That is, the crusade started from 1096 and continued till 1204. The four main crusades. So we see that due to the crusades there was a huge cultural exchange between the east and the west. There was a cultural exchange, not only cultural, social exchange as well as economical, cultural, social and economical exchange between the east and the west. So between the Arabs and between the Europeans, there was a huge cultural exchange. So due to this exchange, we see that the people of the West were made acquainted. They became acquainted with the luxurious life. So what happened is, whatever things were unknown to them, unknown to the people of the West, they came to know it from the Arabians. And now they got accustomed, or they got acquainted with the luxurious life of the East, how the Eastern people used to live. They got acquainted with this luxurious life, and due to this we see there was the development of trade and commerce, and due to this development of trade and commerce, new towns started developing, because the clothes, the costly fine clothes, the gemstones, perfumes, spices, all these different luxurious items which were common in the East, now it came to be known to the West, and these were very much in demand. All these things were very much in demand. They have high demand in the Western countries, in European countries. So due to this high demand, these things started being exported from east to the west, from the Arab countries to the west, they were exported. And as these exports were taking place, we see that there was these trade actually led to the growth of town. Growth of town took place just because of the high demand of these products which were very much common in the East, and now the Western people also got accustomed to these luxurious items, and there was high demand of these items in the West. Because of these, they were exported and the Western countries were importing them. Thus there was huge growth of town, and all the towns we see grew up on the sea coast. Why the towns are growing up on the sea coast? Just because of trading center. Now we see that in the sea coast, if they are located, it is very much easy to carry on trade and commerce with other lands. So those towns which were located on sea coast, these towns grew up very fast, and there was a great rapid growth of town during this time. And this growth of town, we can say, was another impact or another result of the crusade, where we see that the towns are growing up rapidly, mainly because of the trade and commerce. So due to trade and commerce, we see that there was a growth of town, and you have to remember that mainly towns such as England, in Italy, Germany, Holland, these towns were mainly developing, even Russia. So England, Italy, Russia, Holland, these towns were developing, and gradually there were growth of cities in these areas just because of the trade and commerce. So what we will see is that among all this, Italy developed very rapidly, mainly because they were located on the confluence of sea. So this led to the growth of town or the rise of trade centers during the medieval ages, that is as a result of the crusades. Next we will see another impact of the crusade, that is we see that as a result of the crusade, separation of industries, craft industries, that is separate craft industries developed, that is agricultural industries and craft industries were separated. Like from here, from this eastern countries, when they get to know about the different items like gemstones was one of the important items which were used in craft. So different items like clothes, gemstones, valuable jewelries, these things were in demand. This came to be known to the Western people of Europe. Now what happened? Previously the condition was that the agriculture and craft industries were together previously. But now what happened? There was a separation between agricultural industry and craft industry. So craft industry or craft developed as a separate industry because of the crusades. Now what happened? Previously the farmers or the peasants, they used to work in the craft industry. The industries were mainly during those time either agricultural industries or they were cottage industries where handmade products were made. Handicraft products were made. But after the crusades, what happened? That the peasants are no longer working in craft industries in their free time, but separate craft industries are developed because of the raw materials were available. Machines and tools were also available from the east during this time. Previously they were making handmade products, so it was so much time consuming. So the farmers who were doing agriculture, these people were doing handmade products only in time of when they have free time. So when they have free time, during this time they are growing crops and they are also doing their industries, that is craft industry, in their free time. So craft production was very less. Whereas now, that is after the crusades, it happened that a group of people, they started taking craft industry as their full-time profession. So agricultural industry and craft industries were separated, and in this time what we see is that they are getting the raw materials, they are getting the machines and the tools. Because they are getting the machines and the tools, they could easily produce the items that were in demand. Thus we see that a separate craft industry were developed during this time as a result of the crusade. So these are two other most important result of the crusades, or the impact of the crusades. The impact of crusades we have already seen. With that you can add these two also as an important impact of crusades. That is, one is the crusades led to the growth of new towns and trade centers. Also the crusades led to the separation of craft industry from agricultural industries. Thank you.